In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to grade Moodle forums with whole forum grading. If you are new to Moodle forums, you may wish to view the forums video in the playlist and come back to this video later. Instead of ratings, where you grade individual forum posts, you may wish to assign a single grade to a student based on all of their posts within a forum. To begin, click on the forum you'd like to grade from your Moodle course page. From here, I'm going to select Grade Users. From here, I can see all the posts from a single student within this forum. If it's unclear to me why a student made a particular post, I may wish to view the parent post for context. Based on everything the student has posted within this forum, I can assign them an overall grade. Then I can move on to grading the next student. If you'd like more information about Moodle forums, you can access our help documents or click the Get Help button at the top of any Moodle page.